Hey guys, what are we doing today?
Building some stands.
For what?
Your jug.
I tell you what, I got a bunch of shelving that's been sitting out in the backyard. As you see in the other stuff we put up here in the shop to rack the rest of my shit. Now we got to go in here and we got to clean all this up. All this shit, all has to be cleaned up. We're going to put it at the back, move all of this stuff around, and hopefully get my other truck in here that's been at my buddy's shop for 100 years. I love it. We had to cut all the ends off of this stuff. Because these here were, what were they? 3 feet. They were 3 feet too long to fit in the corner where I want to put them. So we'll cut them off, weld these chunks back on. It'll be wonderful. And then I got to take it. I got to cut all down to size. We'll slice and cut them out here.
Go for it.
This here's the length they got to be. Look at that. What the f happened there?
Well, I would double check on those. That might not be the length.
You're filming a million angles, man.
That's the same length as that one, but that doesn't.
Where?
Well, what do you mean? On the property?
Well, no. I got to take and see. I got to take and see if they're the same length. They are.
Yeah.
These ones are the right length. I think we just got shot in the ass with a bolt of lightning. Right there, we're just cutting the on the chop saw. Well, that amazes me. Why weren't the other ones fit on there?
It could be the top side of the beams.
If you got a bunch of stuff that's really kind of fine, like a door latch or something, I just put it in molasses, but make sure you don't put any aluminum in there or pot metal because it'll just destroy the pot metal and eat it. I put a speedometer in there, worth a small fortune. I come back 2 weeks later and there weren't much of it left. So I learned my lesson on that. Don't put any aluminum in your molasses fixture stuff. You think 5's enough? 1, 2.
Well, you're only going out 10 feet. You're only out 2 shelves.
How long are these?
9'8".
1, 2,
Jordan.
4, 5. More than enough. It's perfect. Well, that kind of saved a little bit of time.
And it cut nice.
What are you doing to my zip cut?
Putting a flapper in it.
Flapper McDapper. I've had this stuff out in the backyard for a long time. I tell you what, now we got to go over here and decide how we're going to cut this stuff up. What do? You put feet on the bottom of these. Hey Mike, give me a tape out here.
So that's 11.
Now I'll take a measure, where's 10 feet at?
1 foot further than the left. Or right on here. So that's about 7 inches, 6 inches below the bottom bracket. Is there another one that has to up on the other side?
Yeah, this one here, I think. Right here.
So that's 8'9". That's a little short.
This one?
This is 8'9". This one here. That's a top piece that we cut off.
Why is that other one so long?
Because it was longer than them all. One was like 20 or 21 foot. The rest of mine are like 16.
I'll tell you what do you do? Which side do you fix? Do you fix this? Or do you go back to the other one? Cut these to size right here. Right here.
So this one should be just about perfect.
That one's all bent.
And it's 10 foot.
Never even noticed that. Is that 10 foot?
Yeah.
So we gotta cut 6 inches out of it? What's the ceiling in there?
10 foot. It said like 9 foot 11.
So cut it at 9'6".
Okay, right in the middle here.
Cut it at 9'6". Cut them square at 9'6", all of them. All at 9'6". And I'll cut this girder out and I'll put a new girder in there.
Girder.
This got a girder.
Can you grab a square and I'll mark them all out?
There you go, get on her. What are you looking for?
The soap stone.
You have one? They're doing a custom front end on this truck. What year is this pre-owned Artifact?
2006.
What is it?
2006.
And what are you putting on it for front end?
2016.
It's cheaper than buying a truck, I guess. I don't know. Come over here, guys. I'll show you what we're doing. Here's my kid's motorcycle. It hasn't been fixed yet. It's been there just about a month now. We're moving all this. We're moving all this out of here, and this stuff out of here, over here, and we're gonna put it all together. Put it over here, and put it over here, and change, hopefully, the look of the inside of here. Over here, I don't know what I'm doing for sure, but I think that I'm going to, I think I'm gonna do something interesting over here. I got half of the shop looking good, and it gives you incentive to make the other half of the shop look good. I tell you what. What the f are you doing?
What?
Take that f***ing helmet off. Hey, what kind of shit is this?
Oh, that's right. TIG
That's
torch.
TIG.
Something you do not need. Those are all cuts.
Are they good or bad or what?
Yeah, I use a little buttons, nothing. Yeah, these are all the tips and stuff. There you go, that's number 4, and that's all the consumables that go for number 4. You have a TIG torch?
Yeah, I got a TIG.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's what it's for, man.
You got the same machine I got, don't you?
I think so, yeah. The f these are burner ends.
There's a tungsten. That's the same side, that's 2%. Same side I was using. You can use that for a lot of different shit, a lot of different steel.
There you go, boys. You want the finest? Buy Miller. You'll never have a problem. Oh, my blade.
I didn't feel confident on that one.
You did a good job too.
It's alright, I guess.
So we can probably take this out and use this piece.
Get out of here, man. Don't be showing my angles.
It's an angle cutter.
Get out of here. She's an angle cutter, man. Student boot, man. Okay, Mike, let's flip this rig around. Oh, now we can't see our mark. Gonna run a raw, I guess.
I was over here just enjoying my happy playland. There you have her, boys. Cutting away. My blade up when you're buying lunch. Am I getting lunch?
Oh, she's good, man.
Awesome.
Pretty straight, man.
Like
Like a plumber. No, I could probably display this one, Mike.
Yeah?
Yeah. Get out of here, Morg.
Ones are not all oxygen.
Did you read the label?
Is that what it said? What's that say? Is that oxygen?
Yeah.
It can't be.
Yeah, it is. That one's the one you need. You need C25. You need this one, right?
That's not C25
These
either.
are oxygen?
The two big ones in the back right corner are what you want.
Right here. What are these? What's this bottle here?
Isn't it?
Oxygen, man.
It's just oxygen.
Yeah, oxygen.
You want the two bottles in the back.
That they're too big.
This
Well,
is the same one.
those are your make gas.
Morg, this one is too. This is the same one we get.
Hey. See that? These guys give me the right gas. Okay, where's that welder at?
I was just gonna do it, man. It's gonna flare out.
This is only 1% argon.
What?
It's only 1%
As
argon.
long as I know, because I've been using this gas.
Those two rigs is what you want.
Which one?
Oh, man, this one.
Alright.
This is the same one. This is the one, brothers. We need a Cressy. Or an ancient 516.
Hey, I lost that Crescent wrench. It's a John Deere one. I found another one and put it on there. Well, the John Deere one mysteriously appeared, and the other one's fucking gone.
Not even a squirt left in there, buddy. Where's the
What? This old 300P, I tell you what, this thing will weld anything to anything.
Here, just get this right, man.
Okay. Get out of there. Whenever you're hooking a bottle up,
Make sure you don't put the chain.
give it the what for a minute to blow the dust out of it.
Holy fuck, that's pretty loose, eh? Give her the what for.
What are you f***ing? There's left-hand threads on here. Screw that f***ing thing on there.
They're just regular threads.
When you're putting these high-pressure bottles on something, some of you guys only walk over and give them a half a turn to open them up. Especially on an oxygen bottle, you should never do that because these valves are double seated. They seat at the bottom and they also seat at the top. And if you don't open them all the way to the top, it doesn't seat. And it's a little bit hard on the packings. Whether it's ever happened or not, I don't know. It's just suggested always open the bottle wide open. Okay? So it seats on the top. I don't know if they've got double seat or not, but I know an oxygen bottle does. I'm sure someone will have some comments about that, somebody will correct me, but if you got a problem with that, there's a guy named Don Perry. He was our metalwork teacher in grade 12. Phone him and ask him.
That was a juicy rig.
Where?
Right there. What do you mean where? That's heavy.
Oh, now it's gonna.
Oh.
That's the cousin of the one that bit me in the forehead, probably. Where the battery at? Hey, to my f***ing kid, thanks, Shoaf, for taking all of my f***ing batteries and not bringing them back.
Got one more tack on the bottom on the other side too. Need some persuasion.
Yeah. Didn't think I could do it, did you? I gotta get rid of all of this junk. Like it all got moved to the front of the house, to the back of the house. Here's my garage sale pile. It all needs to go. Turn the gas down. Western Gas is gas. Thank you, Western Gas, for giving me gas. I got gas because of Western Gas. That's absolutely perfect, by the way.
Yeah.
Right.
Like that?
I do. It's hotter than a freshly fornicated fox in a forest fire. It's hot. Hey, you see this?
That's nice.
Look at that, boys. Thanks again, Western Gas. Thank you again, Miller. Thank you, both of you guys. Remember, okay? We build with you. Well, guys, we had more pictures of my camera full of media filled up. You must giving him a hard time for doing something that we did before, but we just blamed it on him anyway, so, right?
Like always.
Yeah, blame it on you. Mike, Mr. OCD, sweeping the floor. We got all this stuff together. There's some welds here that'll barely pass. No, these welds are better than this thing deserves. We're gonna load her all up. I get rid of this here stuff over here. This over here. And I'm hoping that all of this stuff and all of that stuff all fits on there. All fits on there. And I have some storage down here to put some other shit underneath there, my oil pills and stuff. So there you have her. Just starting to clean this up. We got the rest here to go. I'm gonna take it, I gotta get my Zowie machine going here. But I think I pretty near got $100 worth of bubble gum made already. Have you ever eaten $100 worth of bubble gum? I think I almost have, you know. Yeah.